Hello friends, in today's video we are going to unbox this Dell Vostro 3910 PC. This is a 12th generation Core i7 brand new PC and we are going to unbox it. Our lab attendant is here to open the box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, first of all you will find the PC itself. Really beautiful and cutting edge front panel. Let's have a look at the back side, at the back panel. Here is the side view. Okay, after the PC, let's see what's inside the box. Here's some paperwork. The power cord. A mouse from Dell. Some more paperwork. And finally we have a beautiful keyboard from Dell. Okay, let's open the box to see the inner view. Very beautiful and compact. This is what you will find inside a 12th generation machine. Let's have a look at the RAMs. There are 2 slots and 2 memory sticks from Samsung of 4 GB each. Now we will discuss the front panel, the front view. Starting from the top, first of all you will find a CD and DVD drive. After that you will see the power button. On number 5 you will find a power button, and the number 6 is the hard drive usage indicator. On number 7 you will find a universal audio jack which is capable of adjusting the speakers, headphones and microphone at the same time. On number 8 you will find 2 USB ports, the normal USB ports. On indicator number 9 you will see the fast USB ports which are 3.2. And on number 10 you will find SID card slot, the SD card slot. This SD card slot is an optional feature in this PC, so please check with your vendor. Okay, what do you think of the front panel, the beauty, the usability? Please leave your answer in the comment section. Let's have a look on the back panel. On the back panel, starting from the top, you will find an audio jack which is only for output. You cannot use mic in this particular jack. After that you will find 2 display ports, one HDMI and the other DP, which we call DisplayPort. After the display ports you will find 2 USB 3.0 ports, then 2 normal USB ports along with a LAN RJ45 port. Okay, I have a question for you guys. Among these 2 display ports, one HDMI and the other DisplayPort, which do you think is capable of producing higher resolution outputs? Please leave your answer in the comment section. If you're not sure about the answer, there is no harm in guessing. Okay, after these ports, on number 2, on indicator number 2, you will find a PCI Express slot which accommodates audio and networking cards to enhance the capabilities of your PC. On number 3, you will find an identical slot which is PCI Express again. On number 4, you will see a PCI Express 16 slot to accommodate graphic cards, which also enhances the capabilities of your computer. On number 5, you will see a PCI 32 slot. This is also an optional slot, so please check with your vendor before buying. This slot is used to accommodate the legacy PCI 32 cards. And then on number 6, you will see a power port. On number 7, a power supply diagnostic light can be seen. So this indicates the power supply status. On number 8, there is a security cable slot. Security cable slot is used to prevent unauthorized movement of your computer. On number 9, service tag label can be seen. So a service tag label is a unique alphanumeric identifier that enables Dell service technicians to identify the hardware components in your computer, and they can also access the warranty information using this service tag label. Finally, on number 10, you will see a padlock ring, which is used to prevent unauthorized access into your computer. So what do you think of this PC? Please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.